Yeah. Another local one just off Newbiggin. See what's happening here still. As I said last time, the fish are starting to die off for spawning time, breeding time. But apologies, as you can see, ain't no got radio. I ain't got my radio. Guess who forgot it? But we'll be okay because we're in numbers. 1, 2, I'm number 3, John Joe number 4. As usual, Davey off, Benny and his rib. We'll see what happens here.
You can drive round the other side. Walk back all the way here. Walk back to the top.
Fish on! Nah, little in. Every time somebody rings me phone, do you know that? Oh, hold on. Phil, it's a keeper. Hey.
Right, I'll let you go. Enjoy your day. Let us know when you come back in.
Aye. Phil, you got us a fish.
Right, later.
Oh, speak to you soon. Davey! Hey! All them bites and that one fish on slack water and the tide started the run's gone dead. Lad, thought we're in for a good day. No, I thought we're in for a good day. Just the one. Splish splash, bit of salty coffee. Davey! The seal! Oh, lad, I think that's the wind getting up actually. Yeah, what a day, what a day. I'm out. Bit of drift about, bit of move around. I haven't blanked. That's the main thing. Oh, is that the wind starting to get up? There is high winds forecast because today's weather window is flipping tiny. And then that's it until, looking on Windy, the weather, on windy.com, it's horrendous for around here after today. In fact, anywhere from now. So we'll just have to watch this space. Could be my first and last trip for another week or two. Yeah, that's snag, I've got it now. Oh shit, lost everything. You know what, I'm just going to call it as wheel rather than try and renew shite. I'm just going to call it as wheel rather than try and renew all this crap. Yeah. See, a drug has other uses as a bucket. washing yourself in your kayak down. And that is home time. Oof. But yeah, I didn't blank. Happy days. But that's it yet again, until the weather has another calm spell. I need some better gloves. I need bigger ones. As you can see, I've got holes in them. They're old, but they do the job. So we'll see where we end up next time. Newbiggin again, or a Whitley Bay, or Beadnell, or somewhere else. Even a Camus. Some people say Cambois. C-A-M-B-O-I-S. It's Camus. Oh, that's better. My nose is cold. And if my battery lasts, you'll see us go in. If not, I think this camera battery's is due to die. So until next time, see you on the next one.